Before you, time was just a hollow space, a house of stone without a saving grace. You walked inside and drew a better line, made the dust and the ink align. Every shadow found a place to rest in the architecture of your chest. Oh Zeina, my life is a river's end, a mountain path I no longer have to bend. You're the rhythm that the desert's always known, the sea that's hiding in the steady stone. In the twilight, when the world is glowing white, I've got the spirit of the stars right here by my side. We don't need the maps we used to draw, or the city lights that hide the law of stars. Just the shifting sand and your steady hand, building something that the ages understand, a peace that never grows old or gray. My soul has finally found its way. Oh Zeina, my life is a river's end, a mountain path I no longer have to bend. You're the rhythm that the desert's always known, the sea that's hiding in the steady stone. In the twilight, when the world is glowing white, I've got the spirit of the stars right here by my side. The river flows to the spirit of the place, to my life, my grace, Zeina.